Week 5 math, starting with skip counting the nines. For 9, we're doing our 9 fingers together as if we're praying for do Lord, oh do remember me. And this will help us remember the tune that goes with it. So it's 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90, 99, 108, 117, 126, 135. Then for tens, it's just the chant. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Moving on to Latin, we are doing our second declension noun endings. So this time we're doing it with 2 fingers instead of just the one, which we did for first noun declensions. And when we're doing singular, it'll be with 1 hand. With plural, it'll be with 2 hands that we do the motions. We're not doing motion for every single thing, we're just getting some reminders. So for second declension noun endings, you're going to take your squiggle fingers and make them like an octopus, because it helps us remember that it starts with us, e, o, like a bow tie. If you feel like you want to make it a bow hair, that's fine. I'm doing o, us, e, o, o. Us, e, o, o. Singular second declension. Then we're making a tree. So here's our twos for plural. The plural one starts with e, like tree. And then we'll also have geese or ease as e, orem, ease, os, ease. So we go e, orem, ease, os, ease. E, orem, is, os, is. E, orem, is, os, is. Plural second declension. Moving on to science, we had the tune of doo-dah, Cape Town races. And so what are the major groups of invertebrates? So we say sponges, stinging cell animals, flatworms, roundworms, segmented worms, mollusks, sea stars, arthropods. For prepositions English, we're doing between, beyond, but, by, concerning. For history, it's tell me about the Romans. The Roman Republic became the Roman Empire when Augustus was crowned emperor in 27 BC. This was followed by the Pax Romana in 82-86. The empire divided into Western and Eastern empires until Germanic barbarians defeated the Western Empire in 84-76. Then the Egyptian Empire, we just have a hand motion to connect us with the map. So we're making the shape of an E, and the sign language E is very much like the sign for, or the shape of the map. Well, I guess this one's actually, depending on how you lay it down, the shape of Egypt. So E is for Egypt. And then we have the Nile River, which you can follow on the map. And we have Upper Egypt. We're doing that here because the mountains are here. So it's a higher level of Upper Egypt. And Lower Egypt, even though north-south is mixed up in our view. And then we have the Nile River Delta, which there are little estuaries or streams to divide the Nile River in Egypt. So it's a perfect little thing for it, right? So we have Egypt, Nile River, Upper, Lower Egypt, and Nile River Delta. The last one is the timeline. So it's Judah falls to Babylon, temple destroyed, Babylon falls to Persia. Jews return and rebuild the temple. Roman Republic, Golden Age of Greece, Peloponnesian Wars. Persia falls to Alexander the Great. So that's week 5. Hope you're having an amazing week, and we'll see you